Hello and welcome back to the channel and to our third day at Kettleby Lakes caravan site. As you can see from the outside, it's been quite a frosty night, so we're going to go and have a trip into Melton Mowbray. It's only a short drive away, but we've never been into Melton Mowbray and it's also market day, so if you want to come along and join us, and we'll probably get a Melton Mowbray pork pie, seeing as it's a home of pork pies. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video, and we'll see you later on. Bye for now. So we'll go and explore Melton Mowbray.
Yeah. Does it say you want him?
It's not very big anyway, looking at it, Melton Mowbray, is it? Whether it's a cathedral or a minster, or just a big church. Pavilion tea rooms anyway this way. So Wilton Park. So it's St Mary's Church, that then. Melton Mowbray Heritage Trail. So it's Church Street, formerly Church Lane. Once a royal highway, used by medieval kings travelling to London to the north of England. So this is your medieval road from London to north of England. Are you nearly to market? That's it, blink of eye, you're around it. That famous pork pie shop. How many hundreds will there be? Right, so here we are. Your market. And a busy little high street, so you got your antique fairs there.
Yeah, we'll have a wander up.
Yeah. They'll last for ages anyway, won't they? Certainly gone down well, haven't they, since?
It's ready, but I've got the rest of that load from 3 litres.
I don't want to try it.
What, the...
Here for dinner time.
Yeah.
No.
3 in your bag, then.
Plants. Yeah. So you got your pork pie shop here. So that's your oldie pork pie shop there.
Trying to put mine down.
Got enough, I think, there, haven't we?
Right? You know what?
Right, so that's Melton Mowbray. Back to car. Right, so we actually got a traditional Melton Mowbray pork pie from the oldie pork pie shop in Melton Mowbray. It cost us £5.50, and as you can see it's not a massive one. Hopefully it should be one of the best pork pies we've ever had, so we'll tell you what it's like when we eat it. The moment of truth.
When I saw
How meaty is it?
in the greatest show in front of my entire school.
How many people in the store?
300.
300 now. What did you get in return, the money-wise? Did you agree with me? Or did you go for a box office split? 80%?
I didn't get any money.
20%? Oh, well. You haven't got the same agent as me.
Proof is in the tasting.
Well, will I do that now?
Standing ovation.
Going in the
So it's alright, is it?
Basically like a sandwich.
Aisha's Italian sandwich will recreate a recent holiday to Venice. Her colourful bake will feature asparagus, aubergine, peppers,
Ploughman's.
which will form a fresco of her enjoying gelato on the banks of the
Sort of
Moment of truth.
light, open crumb, really airy. If you don't second proof it, it's going to be really dense, and you don't want that to happen.
My meat's fell out.
has chosen to skip this vital step.
You put yours in the oven? Oh yeah. What? You haven't second proofed it? No, I'm not going to do it second proof mine. Then it'll
Peppery,
be
isn't it?
Nice birthday. Hello. I'm doing
One. So it's now time for the verdict on the traditional pork pie from the traditional pork pie shop in Melton Mowbray. It's not the worst and it's not the best. I'll put it this way, I don't think I'll go back to have another one. For the price, I'm expecting something a lot better. Also, Melton Mowbray's ticked off as list. We've been there, we've walked around it. Would I go back? Personally, myself, no. Other people might enjoy it, but that's my personal opinion. I thought there'd be a lot more older buildings there, apart from the traditional pork pie shop that looks old. Rest of it's quite modern, so I was expecting a bit more oldie worldy and timbered buildings, etc. But it's been enjoyable. We've had a nice day there. We bought some stuff from the market, which we've helped with the local community, etc. So all in all, that's the end of this video from Melton Mowbray. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you like what's on the channel, please consider subscribing. It's that little subscribe button below. And also that little notification bell. Ding that notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Right, the verdict on the Melton Mowbray pork pie from the Right, it's time for the verdict on the pork pie from the traditional, can't say it,